Ka Sorka Jylla henne ka sngi ka arpui tere ukala lingkot arjar arpui kala Rakhe ka jingyo la ka jong Jylla ka bamenta kala dap sap khundai Snem kinthi ha ka ne ka jing Rakhe dap sap khundai Snem jong ka jingyo Jylla jong ka meglea ka long hasoso tham udutirem laidon lang umentri rangba ka Jylla ukon ratke sangma ko mukongsan umentri katanat IPR ujim spike sangma ko mukongsan benrap lembat kiwe Hawa ajing kren kumu kongsan ukonat kisang ma ula ai kublai meglea de ya boro kinong meglea bat kumjuru ula ai boro mi department kiblai khun mun pinyo la ka jong Jylla ka ba menshwa ka de lang bat ka Jylla sam.
Friends, at the very outset, I would like to convey my greetings to all of you on this auspicious day. As was mentioned by many speakers before me, this is a day to thank God Almighty, thank all the leaders who were responsible and worked tirelessly to get our state for us. We must remember those leaders and the sacrifices they made. To name a few: Captain Williamson Sangma, D.D. Pugh, J.J. Nicholas Roy, B.B. Lindo, and many more who sacrificed many things so that we could today celebrate this 49th anniversary of our statehood. At the same time, we should also feel proud and keep reminding ourselves that the sacrifices that were made by those great leaders must not go in vain. We must cherish it, and we must keep reminding ourselves that yes, we got the statehood, or we got the state. And last 49 years have gone where a lot of things have happened. But many more years are there in front of us where we as citizens in different positions have our responsibility towards our people and our state. Last 49 years journey has seen many ups and downs. It's never a perfect journey. There will always be challenges. The statehood, life in itself, will throw up many challenges to us. But in spite of all these challenges that our state faced, our state has moved forward in many ways. From the aspects of governance to development, different aspects of community participation, in all these fields, and a number of facts have been presented by speakers before me of how our state has moved forward in these last 49 years. And we should all be thankful to each and every one who has contributed to these last 49 years and brought the state to where we are today. Friends, it's also important for us to realize that next year we will be celebrating 50 years. And it's important to keep in mind that as a government and as citizens, where do we see ourselves in the next 1 year, in the next 5 years, and even in the next 50 years? I think the seeds of the future will need to be sown now to be able to give us a direction of where we are going to move forward in the next 50 years.
Oi oi con, oi oi con, oi oi con, wa em
trong đốt phá kỳ tiến xanh tiên trào là bên chết đại mây ba kỳ tiến bài rupa trong kỳ bên ông là ban yo ujli là đạc lem y lê đa là kỳ khmat bu khuôn này sa khi làm lệ bayo kalap kale rai anda nung we pa tu she ernai tin neng ru gom ki wei tu yên ya la ka them mei in sa rong ya la ka jong mak di san dur bunyi kong
Nekatengon ang sunan sungko Tanchi ang saksano Nekatengon ang sunan sungko Tanchi ang saksano Gisekrata ng namagurangko Sembrade aman sona Tangkang China o ang Meghalaya Gede lang kasaniyo Nagsing ang China ng tingsuwa ko Plaktat na ko ng China Tangkang China o ang Meghalaya Gede lang kasaniyo Nagsing ang China ng tingsuwa ko Plaktat na ko ng China